So listen to the ASOS.
Direct 23562 heavy, contact Los Angeles Center 119.95.
And then set the second
119.95.
for the
Oceanside Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation.
2000 traffic at your 1 o'clock in a mile. Orbiting altitude engage 1,500.
10. Peak gusts 14. Visibility 8. Sky condition clear. Temperature
0 Mike Whiskey, contact Los Angeles Center 128.6.
15 Celsius. Altimeter 2,993.
Alert, taking off. The traffic is just behind you and off your left-hand side, about a quarter mile in direction. Altitude engage 3,100. Should be about 30 knots faster.
1747 Zulu. Wind 2.
Taking off, fighting 110.
I want you to do a hold too.
Visibility 8. Sky condition.
317 off, Roger. Maintain the surface traffic heading 100.
Well, it comes with a hold, right? There's a hold at Oceanside, part of this procedure.
You don't need to.
Tango Charlie, contact Los Angeles Center 128.6.
Once you establish inbound, if you don't feel ready, you make a lap in the hold. If not, you go straight. Alright, so once we get to Oceanside, because this is a VOR Alpha, we should be in V-lock mode, not in GPS mode.
4627, 1487 Victor, contact approach 134.0.
There you go.
134.0, 1487 Victor.
And then you can set in the, we can use this one as the,
contact 7.5 miles
once it flips over,
29994, say altitude leaving.
we're gonna switch to,
Mike leaving 6 for 8.5.
turn on the west, once the winds are level, and we pass a BND point, whatever happens later, we start our 1 minute timer.
Yeah.
So, got approach, Cherokee A1916 request.
Ricky, I think it was 89016.
81916, firm, we are 4,500 over the VOR Oceanside. I will request some practice approaches.
So we're 81916, clock 0266, maintain VFR at all times.
We'll maintain VFR all time, 0266 916.
636 Charlie Sierra, so maintain 5,000.
Wait until this one switches from 2 to
contact over the Oceanside VOR, say request.
I would like to do practice approaches VOR Alpha into Oceanside, missed, followed by the ILS 24 Palomar, missed, and finally the GPS RNAV 28 right to Montgomery full stop.
81916 Roger, maintain 2,500 total established on approach, patch codes approved and separation services are provided.
2.5 is still established and practice approach approved. Thank you, 916. Alright, so now we gotta do east.
Update number 2, Tango, update number 3.
And we're gonna head west because we're going to the inbound radio. We're heading to the VOR. We want that 2 indication.
Good morning, SoCal Grumman.
Alright, now you start your timer, or we can use this one.
788, SoCal approach, Palomar, this information Yankee, altimeter is...
we'll go for a minute.
299.
Well, we descend.
636 Charlie Sierra, connect approach 119.6.
Alright, so keep descending, parallel entry. What we need is on their standby radio, let's tune the common traffic advisory frequency. Keep descending. Gotta go down to 2500. We're still, there you go. And 270. Alright, and you got 1 minute now. Oh wait, I didn't.
No, we get 30 seconds.
Yeah, I messed this one up, sorry. Yeah, that's why I need it. Alright, so keep 270 heading. And put the frequency there for Oceanside, common traffic. And once you look down, let go of your hand, you drift to the left. There you go. Alright. There we go. We're in a minute now. Alright, so it's because we were high, Anyway, we definitely would need another lap to we need one lap on the hold in order to get established. So right now, when that needle gets centered, if we pass it, it's okay.
SoCal approach, Mooney 7164 Victor 3500.
We haven't passed it, you know,
7164
better for us. Once that needle centers,
Yankees current, altimeter 2995.
we're through flight to the station.
Papa's up, LR2, climbing 3000. For Julie Papa, SoCal departure radar contact, climbing 10,000, altimeter 2994. 10,000, 8 Julie Papa.
Also, we needed to ID the VOR and the number 1 radio, which is okay.
We did?
We did it in the second. Oh. Alright, so which heading are we flying? Maintain 0, 060. Keep descending. That needle will come soon. So when they start moving, try to do a 30-degree intercept.
Okay.
Alright, so...
48 Julie Papa, clear Padres.
Alright, so...
SoCal approach, that's a 172
Alright, so
kilo.
roll out.
Request RNAV, request ILS 24 for Carlsbad.
And then goes to high, so once this one switches to the front, that means we went past this station. And we're going to turn west again. So once we get closer, you're going to get to the line of ambiguity, so the needle is going to go off. You keep that heading, just maintain that heading.
We're requesting to do the ILS to a full stop in the Palomar.
We'll wait until it gets
SoCal approach, if they will proceed direct to FCON on the localizer. Alright, direct to FCON on the localizer, 788. 172 Lima Kilo, are you going to be full stop?
Alright, so you switch now, let's turn right, head into 70. And keep descending.
172 Lima Kilo, will you be a full stop? That's permanent, full stop, Lima Kilo. Lima Kilo, if you're able, proceed direct to FCON.
And now this is going to flip again to 2.
FCON, localized.
Because we're behind the VOR right now.
160, going to do another turn in the hold.
We're at 3,000 right now, we need to lose some altitude, 916.
48 Juliet Papa, connect approach, 128.1. 28.1, have a good one. Hey, Juliet Papa.
There you go.
577 Mike, contact approach, 134.0. 34.0, 77 Mike.
Alright, just remember 10 degrees before you start rolling out. There you go. We keep descending, and once that thing switches to 2 again, which you just did, we start our timer. Our timer.
7164 Victor, maintain at or
I will stop to descend at 2,500 because that's what the approach says.
Yep, 64 Victor.
And maintain 270 heading. And we should brief this approach, right?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, we're doing the VOR Alpha approach into Oceanside, KOKB. We've listened to the ASOS already. We've dialed into the Oceanside VOR. Touchdown elevation is 28 feet. We have the Unicom.
Process now, 4420 Romeo at 2,000, climb up to 9,500.
Okay, we're gonna finish this turn here.
Yes, maintain the west heading. You are 1 minute now, so we turn back inbound.
Palomar Airport,
We're gonna go down, we're R at 2,500.
Yeah, so now we maintain altitude.
And then once we get over Oceanside, we are going to start our descent to our decision altitude of 1140. And Mr. approach is climbing left turn to 4,000 feet. The heading 030 to the
change advisory frequency approved. Report to Mr.
Oceanside VOR.
We'll report on the missed approach. Thank you, 916.
To the Vista intersection, sorry.
Alright, so
172 Lima Keel, you're 4 miles
a little bit here.
cross F10 at about 3,000.
Keep this heading for a second.
Separation services estimated.
And
Cross
till we get closer.
at or above 3,200, practice approach approved to Lima Keel.
We'll switch this. There we go. Otherwise we'll never catch it, you know. Now we can do activate here vectors to final. Yeah. Okay. A quick procedure again. Activate vectors to final. There we go. You can click on your map. There we go. Now start turning. See we passed this. Heading east. And Oceanside traffic, Cherokee A1916. It's coming in for a low approach from the VOR. We're going to stop at 1,200 and it'll depart northeast. Oceanside traffic.
So now we can descend down to...
No, are you past the Oceanside VOR yet?
No.
Okay. So let's not descend.
So we'll stay at 2,500 till we get past Oceanside.
Yes.
And then we'll go down to 1140.
Yeah.
Got it.
And then we'll turn to the 096 radio. Right now we are in the 090. Well, we're not there yet. We just overshot it. Put it back where it was. There we go.
So traffic, Sabia 53801, turning right crosswind at the harbor for right downwind departure. Oceanside.
Are we almost there? Alright, once it gets over, keep the heading east, 090. Now, he moved, once it switches to from, now it's 096, 096, and wait until the needle, keep that heading until that needle moves. Then you're established. Alright, so now before landing checklist will be the boost pump on, gas in the fullest tank. We'll keep it the same tank. And the carriage on with it.
Turning right down.
Alright, let's go down now.
We got the airplane coming off the VOR site. Oceanside.
We got you too. Oceanside traffic, Cherokee A1916 is coming in from the VOR for a low approach from Oceanside. Alright, let's do like 1900 RPM. And we keep drifting to the right, that's why we never catch it. To the left, buddy. Okay. There we go. So, what distance we will be identifying from the VOR? We are 1.7 right now.
It'll be 3.4.
Okay, so... Alright, so that needle's coming in, so we're gonna try to maintain that needle and heading 096. Heading 096. And we gotta be at what altitude?
1140.
Okay, let's go. 700 feet per minute, 750. Otherwise, we're not gonna break out of the clouds. There you go. So we're supposed to be at the airport in 0.3 miles. We're still very high, so at that point you arrive at the airport, you're like, oh, I was too high. I see the airport, you take the photos, you're like, no, I don't see it. So activate mix approach for me. Alright, let's go. Power. And
Where's the freaking airport?
we passed it. We were too high. Alright, let's turn left heading, what was it? 030 until you intercept the 083 radio, I think is out of Oceanside. Yeah, so we're gonna do the 083 here. until that needle intercepts, and then we're gonna go fly. Once the needle centers, we're gonna fly that heading 083 towards Vista.